High in the mountains, this ancient root grows quietly in nature. Astragalus, the hidden shield for your lungs, heart, and kidneys. Let's begin with something truly exotic, Astragalus powder. In hidden forests and remote valleys, nature hides her best medicine. Reishi for longevity, goji for strength, and astragalus for resilience. Powerful roots and rare herbs are amazing, but don't forget the everyday greens that keep your organs clean and strong. Kale, spinach, parsley, and cilantro help detox your kidneys, balance your blood pressure, and fuel your heart. Add them to meals or smoothies for a natural daily boost. Try these superfoods if you want to give your lungs, heart, and kidneys the ultimate power-up. This ancient Chinese root strengthens lungs, boosts immunity, and protects your organs like nothing else. Next up, turmeric powder, the golden spice of life. For centuries, it's been prized for fighting inflammation, improving circulation, and supporting healthy heart and kidney function. And don't stop at the powder, the fresh turmeric root is just as powerful. Slice it into stir-fries, simmer it in soups, or steep it as a tea. Using turmeric daily delivers steady support for your heart, kidneys, and immune system. Next up, we have ginger root. Ginger root is much more than just a spice. Ginger clears congestion, boosts circulation, and helps keep your heart and lungs strong. It is a powerful addition to your daily routine and perfect in teas, smoothies, or golden tonics. Next up, we have reishi mushrooms. Reishi mushrooms, the mushroom of immortality, for your heart and kidneys. Up next, goji berries, tiny but mighty. They fight oxidative stress while supporting kidney and heart health. And we cannot forget about the leafy greens. Leafy greens are your natural detox heroes. Packed with nutrients like kale, spinach, parsley, and cilantro, leafy greens help cleanse your body, support kidney and heart health, and provide essential vitamins and minerals that keep your organs strong and your energy levels high. Add them to meals or smoothies for a natural boost. From powerful roots and mushrooms to vibrant berries and leafy greens, all these natural superfoods work together to nourish your body, support your lungs, heart, and kidneys, and keep your energy strong every day. Your body will thank you. And watch your lungs, heart, and kidneys thrive naturally. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe to Her One Energetic Advantage for more natural health tips. And for tips for a healthier you. Share this with someone who needs an exotic upgrade today. See you soon.